Okay, so today we're going to talk about translations. So I know it looks like a lot on this page, but when I have translations, basically I'm taking a figure on a graph, whether that be a point, a segment, a line, a triangle, a square, a polygon, anything. So I'm taking it and I can slide it left or right, and I can also slide it up and down. Okay, so if I'm looking at this first thing right here, I have an ordered pair. So a lot of times when they tell you how to translate it, they'll give you an ordered pair that kind of looks like this, and they'll say x plus a number and y plus a number. So if it's x plus a number, that means that x, whatever my x points are going to move to the right a units. So however many units. This said 3, then I'd move 3 units to the right. If it says y plus a, then whenever it has plus a number, then that means I'm going to move my figure up. Okay, if it says x minus a, that means I'd be moving to the left. And if it says y minus a, then I'd be moving down 8 units. So let's say it said 2, then I'd move down 2 units. Okay. The other way they might tell me to translate is they might just straight up say move 1 unit left and 6 units up. Okay, so I also wrote it how we might see it up here. So that would be saying x minus 1 because we're moving to the left, and y plus 6 because we're moving up. Okay, so for our first example, I have a square, and it's A, B, C, and D. I went ahead and I wrote the points over here. And they want me to translate it x plus 2 and y plus 1. So I know that I'm going to move to the right 2, and I'm going to move up 1. Okay. So I'm going to take my figure. So I'm going to start with A. So I'm going to move to the right 2 and up 1. So this is my new A prime. Okay. So A prime is the ordered pair -2, -1. Okay. B prime, I'm going to move right 2 and up 1. So B prime would be the ordered pair 0, -1. B prime. Okay. C prime, if I move right 2 and up 1. So that would be C prime, and that would be C prime would be the ordered pair 0, -1, 2, 3, -3. And D prime, if I move over 2 and up 1, that would be my D prime. And D prime is going to be at the ordered pair -2, 1, 2, 3, -3. So then I make my new. Okay. So the red, this is my pre-image. And this is my image. Remember, the pre-image is before I move it, the image is after. Let me scroll down just so that way I make sure you can see all those points. Okay. All right, let's try another one. It's pretty easy, don't overthink it. Okay, so on our next one, I have a triangle, and my points are 5, 2, 7, 5, and 9, 2. Okay, so it says move 6 units left and 1 unit up. Okay, so I'm going to start with L. I'm going to move 6 units left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 unit up. So here's my new L prime. I'm going to go to N. 1, oops, I forgot to write down my point. L prime is at -1, 3. Okay. And then for let's do M next. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and up 1. Just make sure I got that right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up 1. So this is my M prime. So M prime is at 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then N prime, I'm going to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops, I forgot to go up 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and up 1. Here's my new N prime. And N prime is at the ordered pair 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 3, not 4. Learn to count, Miss On. 3. And we go up 1, 2, 3. Okay. So if you notice, when I was just doing that, I caught myself. I was like, that can't be right. Because if I take this right here and I write it as a rule, I'd have, since I'm moving left, I'd have x minus 6. And since I'm moving up, I'd have y plus 1, okay? So if I take each of my ordered pairs, so let's say we're looking at L, okay? So when I plugged that in, I had 5 minus 6, and I have 2 plus 1. That would give me my new ordered pair of -1, comma, 3. Okay? And if I have that same thing, so I'm going to have x minus 6 and y plus 1, and I plugged in the point for m. So I had 7 minus 6 and 5 plus 1. That would give me my ordered pair 1, comma, 6, which I have right here. The last type of problem that they're going to give you is they're going to say, describe the translation, okay? So I start here, and I move to here, okay? So I can see I'm moving left 2 units, and to go from 2 to 4, I'd be going up 2 units. Or you could say I'm going x minus 2 and y plus 2. Alrighty. Any questions, comments, concerns? I can answer when you get to me. Have a great day.